Okay, it's math box time. Did you do it? 307? If you didn't, don't look at this video. Good. Okay, let's do 1. 1a, 1/5 divided by 6, and I'm going to read my instruction. It says use the common denominator method. So I've got fifths. So I've got to put a fifth down here, which made that 5 times bigger because it used to be a 6/1, right? So I've got to make that 5 times bigger. 5, that's 30. 5, whoop, they go away. 1 divided by 30 is 1/30. You just put that on the top and that on the bottom. That's easy. Let's do B. 6 divided by 1/5. Okay, it's over 1. Same deal. I'm going to make that 5. That's 30. These still go away, but this time it's 30 divided by 1. 30 divided by 1 is just 30. And that is the answer to number 1. Let's do number 2. Divide 97.2 divided by 8.1. Can we deal with that decimal? No, we can't. We've got to get rid of it. So if you're going to move it over there to make it go away, and it goes, ah, and then you can see it, and now you just beep. It's like not even there. But you can't move that one over unless you do the same thing here. Beep. So now we've got the equivalent problem of 972 divided by 81. We're going to get the answer, and we don't have to mess with the decimal because the answer will be the same. But it's a little rude. Not that rude. Okay, how many, cover up, how many 81s fit in the 97? 1. I'm covering up 1 digit, so I put a 1 with 1 0 after it. So 10 times that is 810. So 96, 1. Guess what? Now I'm like, how 81 and, wait, 80 and 80 is 160. It works. 2 times 81 is 162. No stuff left over. What's the answer? 12. That is the answer. Don't go sticking a decimal into there because you did the same thing to both things. It is the answer. It's 12. All right, let's do the next one. Number 3. Multiply stuff. Multiply 80.73. Oh, make that a 0, dude. Times 10 to the second. So if you multiply this out longhand way, you wasted your time. Times 10 to the second, you just grab the decimal and you move it over 2 spots because 10 to the second is 100. Move that over 2 spots and you have 8,073. That was easy. Multiplying your product from A, so this, multiply times 10 to the third. So the decimal was here. Now I've got to go 3 more spots. 1, 2, 3. My decimal now moves there. And guess what I put in here? Yes, I put in 0. So you should have written 8,073,000. How many total places did the decimal point move from 80.73 to your final product? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay, that's it. How'd you do with that one? Yeah, well, yeah. You can't get them all, can you? Okay, here we go. A rug has an area of 6/15 square meters. That's a weird thing. Which of the following could be all the dimensions? All that apply. So that's the answer. So it's something times something gives you 6/15. A, could that do it? 3 times 2 is the tops times tops, bottoms times bottoms. That's easy. That's 3 times 2 is 6. Yep, A would work. B, let's see, 2 times 3 is 6. And the denominator is 15 times 15. Is 15 times 15, 15? No. Okay, B doesn't work. Let's go to C. 5 times 1, does that give you 6? No. Moving on, D. 1 1/5. Ooh, they're messing with you. Okay, this one's tricky. I hope this one does work because that would be kind of cool. To deal with this one, let's make it improper. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 more is 6. So that's the same as 6/5 times a third. 6 times 1 is 6. 5 times 3 is 15. That works, baby. Did you get that one? That was the hardest one. Write a number story to match problem 1A. How about Henrietta has 1/5 of a Mars bar that she went all the way over the UK and bought it and brought it back. She's eaten 4/5 of it. She's got 1/5 left. And now 5 of her friends have come up and said, I want a piece. And she is worried. Henrietta doesn't think she's going to have any friends if she doesn't give it up. So she splits it up into 6 pieces because she does want to keep a little bit for herself still. That, therefore, how much did each person get there? And the last little taste would be 1/30. Okay, that's what you got now. Let's go to the home link.